Chef Rick Roman is here. And is your hand on that burner?
My hand is on the burner, and notice, David, that the only thing that is getting hot here is the pan, and that's the magic of induction cooktops. They use magnetic coils to actually heat the entire pan. So what does that mean? Precise temperatures, hence the name Precision Induction Cooktop. But that means whether you're high heat searing, low and slow simmering, or medium heats, you get an exact temperature every time. And it's efficient because you're not heating up the cooktop, you are heating up the actual pan. So notice how the egg here is not cooking on the cooktop, because that's cool. The pan is getting hot. It's just a more efficient and more precise way to cook. And it's why professional chefs love it in their
More
kitchen.
and more people have an induction cooktop. And if you're wondering, are your vessels induction cooktop compatible? Just take a refrigerator magnet off the refrigerator. If it sticks to the bottom of the pan, it's induction capable.
That's right.
Now, I was hoping you were going to get that chicken out of the grease before it got too hot.
Golden
Look at that.
brown. Now, here's the thing. People often will have a separate appliance to have a professional fryer. This now becomes a professional fryer because I can set the temperature to 360 degrees and it will maintain at that perfect fry temperature.
Now, this hurts my feelings a little bit.
This is what most people wind up with, because they can't get the oil temperature, right? I mean, if you go to a gas or electric stove and you turn this to low, medium, high, what's the temperature? You don't know. With this, you know the exact temperature.
That's runt.
That's runt.
All right, now, I need to let you know that you're going to get a pan, the induction burner, and a carrying case. And we have how many of these left to go around, Brian? 650 of these to go around.
Uh-oh.
650 is all we have.
That's it.
Now, will you get a pan? Yes. Is it induction compatible? Yes. Now, is this an induction burner? Absolutely yes. And finally, you're going to get your carrying case. Oh, and you have a magnet.
Yeah.
See there? If your refrigerator magnet sticks to the bottom of your vessel, guess what? It'll work. If you have anything with Le Creuset in the cast iron line, works.
Le Creuset, absolutely. Whether it's a tri-ply, you name it. But here's the great thing, okay? First of all, people see a portable cooktop and they say, well, how powerful can it be? This gets over 500 degrees.
Is it going to give me a sear?
I mean, we're talking as if you're using a professional gas stove top. You get that caramelization and that sear.
Chef, what do they call this browning?
The Maillard effect.
And that's not just for looks, that's flavor.
That's flavor. And you know what I love? It comes with this ceramic non-stick. So notice how I'm sliding food around in here, okay? Nothing is gonna stick. So you could do your whole meal in here. I'm gonna put some mushrooms, a little bit of red wine, and we're gonna let these steaks finish. And we can do all of this on this portable induction cooktop. A little bit of herbs. And of course, David, you know what?
I was hoping you put some butter in there.
A little bit of butter. Why not put a little bit of butter?
Put a few knobs of butter in there.
A few knobs of butter to make the sauce.
Can't hurt. This is a lovely product. Now, a lot of you are wondering, can I put my hand on this burner? Now, my hand is touching the cooktop, but it's not what's hot. What's hot is the vessel.
Yeah, and to me, that's the beauty of this type of cookware, because induction is heating the pan, so that means edge to edge, side to side.
You know what that says? That says sear.
Yeah.
You may not be able to read that at home, but right now it says sear, which means fire engine hot.
Fire engine hot.
This is not fire engine hot to my fingers, but boy, that vessel is.
And notice how it's a nice, steady, even cooking. You see that simmers side to side. Now, here's the other thing. From a high heat sear, if you're somebody that wants to do something like dipped chocolate strawberries or chocolate covered pretzels.
Because for Valentine's Day, maybe you're making chocolate covered strawberries.
Oh yeah, and the thing with chocolate is if you overheat it, David, you break up the butter fats and ruin it. Well, a lot of people have special, what they call chocolate temperers that you would spend hundreds of dollars on. Well, now you have a chocolate temperer, because I can set this to 110 to 120 degrees and the chocolate stays that perfect temperature without ruining it.
You know what we're going to give you for $89.98? We're going to give you everything, including a pan.
Yeah.
I mean, this pan is dishwasher safe.
Correct, dishwasher safe.
This pan is also safe to be washed in your sink with warm soapy water and a scrub daddy if you choose. It's non-stick on the inside, and the magnet sticks to the back.
Yep.
If the magnet sticks to the back, it will work on your NuWave induction cooktop. Use this outside when the weather gets a little warmer. If when you're having breakfast outside, you're making omelets to order.
Oh yeah, it's completely portable.
Carrying case, if you want to take this to the tailgate and plug it in, however you want to do it. Now, ordinarily, this would be almost $140 at retail.
Okay.
We're at $89.98 and free ship. How much is the free ship worth? $7.50 less. So you're saving money already on the price, and then you're saving another $7.50 on shipping, and it's customer top rated. Final quantities, no reorder. How does it work, sir?
So this is how it works. There's special copper magnetic coils, and instead of heating up the cooktop, those magnetic coils react with the metal in the pan. So what that does is actually heat the pan. So that's not just one part of the pan, the entire pan heats up. So that's even more consistent cooking, better results. You can control temperature from high heat searing to low and slow, but you know the exact temperature. And this is really demonstrates how much control you have. So you could see this is a 10-quart stock pot. Don't worry about portability.
It's an emerald and steel, so it's induction compatible.
So watch what happens. When I hit pause here, I'm going to hit the pause button. I want you to look in the pot. Watch what happens. Literally within seconds, it stops boiling. That's control, right? But if I hit start again, okay, in about 5 seconds, it comes back to a full boil. You don't have that control with electric and gas.
If you have an electric stove at home and you turn it off, you have to usually remove the pot from the burner.
Yeah.
Because it will continue to boil. It'll continue to cook. That's why something like this is so very important. How many of you had chili on Big Game Day?
Oh, chili, any tomato-based products, whether you're making marinara sauce, chilies.
And may I say we have fewer than 500 of these left.
Okay, all right. So look at this. This is where it's important to have consistent temperature so you don't scald or burn the bottom. But also, listen, Mother's Day, Easter, that's all going to be right around the corner, David. I know it's February, we're already halfway through February. How about an extra buffet burner where you could keep your casseroles,
How about
your
an
chilies?
extra cooking burner?
Yeah.
Because you're having the whole family over for Easter dinner. I mean, come now. Maybe you're having everybody over for movie night or big game night, or maybe it's going to be chili night or taco night. I think every day is taco day.
Yeah, I think so.
Everybody is super excited about this, and you're looking at a really lovely brand. You're also looking at a pan included, a carrying case.
Ceramic.
How best to clean the burner itself?
Literally a damp rag you can wipe across the controls, because all the controls are covered touch buttons. So you can clean it off on the outside with a nice damp rag. That's it.
And maybe a little more cheese on the chili.
Once you start using induction, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I know why the pros love it.
I know, and this is why I want you to have one as well, certainly at this price. Remember, our regular retail price on this is nearly $140. We're at $89.98 with free ship.
Man.
Mr. Roman, do you have a honey bell you want to talk
Oh,
about?
yes, yeah, look. So, listen, all my honeys, it's a group. So I brought this photo because I love it, because first of all, my honey, my wife, and you'll notice I'm a little younger here. I chose a younger photo. I'm cheating. And there's my 3 babies, the twin boy and girl, Ricky and Sabrina, and then Isabella, who's my oldest. I know there's glass, so it's shining. So those are my honeys. So happy Valentine's Day to all of them.
All right, Friday's a big day.
Yeah.
All right, leave it up to you, sir.
All right.
All right, now, we have one item left, and it's from Germac. Oh, I'm walking this way, right in front of the camera. You know what they call that? They call that a rookie move. It's a rookie move.
That's all right. It's allowed.
Yeah.